Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 11th of September. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts of the Aussie dollar versus the Japanese yen. What we'll see is that the last few weeks has created a flag formation. Will it break up or down? Well, to the upside, there's resistance from the downtrending 200-week moving average that needs to be broken. So that's a downside influence. However, if you look at the 4-hour, all the moving averages are converging. If we can stay above those moving averages, they may just give the push up to break that resistance, to break the flag, and it would look very positive for the Australian dollar. Let's look at those charts. So here we have the daily on the Aussie dollar versus the Japanese yen. You can see that we've got this flag formation, and it looks like we are getting a bit of a pincer pattern between the 50-day moving average, which is still rising but starting to roll, and the 20-day, which is now rising and is giving immediate support today. 20 days presently at 86.96. The 200-day is moving up as well, so the medium-term picture looks good, but it is rolling, so be careful on that. The chart did break up in June. You can see the moving averages all created golden crosses there, which was positive. I can't remember last time I did a video on the Aussie dollar against Japanese yen. If you go back through my videos, you'll be able to tell. If there had been a video around this time, it would have been positive, of course, because of the influence there of those moving averages and the positive momentum. Momentum at the moment is not strong. You can see the RSI going sideways. It's above 50, presently 52.7, but we would like to see that tick higher into the 60s to show real positive momentum. We may get that if we can get above this 50-day, and then that gives a push up above the first resistance line just below the 88. Likewise on momentum, the MACD are flat lining and not giving any indication of momentum. So we're still in the flag at support, but no momentum. Looking at the weekly, so here each candle represents 1 week's trade, and you can see that we've got this downtrending 200-day moving average, which is the red line. That will cause resistance to the upside like it did in July. The 2-week period in July, we went above it, but it was too strong a resistance and we have pulled back. There is support to the downside from the 20 and 50, and looking at this chart, one would actually expect a further continuation of a move in this flag formation. Momentum is slightly positive. We're at 58, but it's in a downtrend, so be aware of that. And the MACD, like on the daily, are just flat lining. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that all the moving averages are converging together, which is a sign that we may get an explosive move, so be aware of that. We're presently above those moving averages, which is good. What we'll get if the Aussie dollar against Japanese yen stays where it is that the 20 will cross the 50. It's going to be tight whether the 50 is moving up at that point, so keep an eye on it. It's going to happen in the next couple of days. At the moment, the 50 actually is rolling down, so we do need to get the spot maybe up towards 87.5, and then that would move the 50, and if the 20 crosses the 50 as they're moving up, we get the golden cross, and that could give the push. RSI is above 50, but it's just sidelining, so again we need that to push up above 60 to really show the momentum if we are to get a break. And likewise the MACD also is flatlining, going sideways around about the 0 actually as well. On the support resistance levels, first resistance is from the 1st of September high, 87.94. Then we've got that 200-week moving average, which is key resistance, 88.51, with supports coming in at the 20-day, 86.96, and then at the 20-week, 85.7. So that's been TA for traders, having a look at the Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. The key takeaways from the video should be it's a flag, but is it to be broken to the upside? We do need an uptick of positive momentum on all the charts, actually, from the daily, from the 4-hour right through to the weekly. The 200-week moving average is the key resistance level that you need to watch. And on the 4-hour, all those moving averages are converging. Keep your eye on it over the next few days. See if we're getting golden crosses created, because that could give the push that will break the resistance. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do press that button and subscribe. You then get email updates when I come out with new videos. Please remember, I do these videos for educational purposes and they're my opinions, and then in no way meant to be an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer.